Good morning, beautiful people. So you guys, today Taylor has a doctor's appointment. I'm actually headed to work. I'm gonna work a half of day and then I'm gonna pick her up and take her to a 15-month checkup. So I'm like, I might as well vlog. So I'm gonna vlog a 15-month checkup, and I'm mad because I gotta be working like 20 minutes. So I'm normally good with time in the mornings, but this morning was really rough because I didn't have her clothes picked out, and then what I did pick out, I needed to be ironed, and then she wake up cranky every morning. So I was gonna do like a morning work/school day morning routine, whatever, but that's gonna have to be another time because I ain't have time for that today. So, and I normally eat oatmeal for breakfast, but I'm out of that. So it's like I was going to Chick-fil-A. The line is so long. I don't have that kind of time this morning. I already left the house later than normal. Well, later than I wanted to, not normal, because we don't even normally leave this early. But I had to be to work at 8 today. Normally I'd be to work at 9 or 9:30, so we don't leave the house at 7 something. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and take Taylor and just stop at McDonald's, because McDonald's is right by my job. So yeah. Say good morning. Say good morning. You gonna say good morning? Mama's gonna pick you up early today. You have a doctor's appointment. You're not gonna be happy, but you get one shot today. Just one. Okay? You gonna be a big girl? I'm sorry in advance. I love you. Come on, let's get out the car.
6.5 hours later.
Hey y'all, so I just left work and I'm headed to go get Taylor Bean, take her to the doctor. So I don't know how this is gonna go because I'm not used to going by myself, because me and Chris always goes to her doctor's appointment together. And today he's working out of town, so he's a little sad because it's the first doctor's appointment he ever missed. Like, he been to every last one of when I was pregnant, every last one since she's been born. And so he's working out of town today, so he's missing. And I tried to change it on his behalf and my behalf because I had to leave work to take her. But they don't have nothing. They don't have nothing available until like after school. So yeah, let me just put this phone down because my mount is not working properly. It's all over the place. Was the shot bad? You didn't like it? Give me that Betsy. Yeah. Was the shot bad?
Me.
Was
Me
it,
dead. Yeah.
was it bad? Now she being baby, like she was just so good at the doctor.
You styling, homie. You styling. Look at you. Shut your mouth. Look at you. Ooh, that look like. Let's try it again. Listen what you look like. Ooh, shut your mouth. Ooh, child. Look at you. You is a beaut. Look at you. Where did Taylor go? Oh, look at that star. She just over there shining. Look at you.
Look, which one is yellow? Taylor. Which one is yellow? Which color is yellow? Which one is yellow? Yay! Good job, Let's do another color. Alright, you guys, let's finish up what's really going on with Miss Taylor Bean. So Taylor is 23 pounds. She is 31 inches. Her doctor's appointment went, I was finna lie. I was finna say really, really well. But it went, okay. It didn't go that well. First of all, she got a shot today. You want to come up here? No, okay. She got a shot today, and not only that, as we were waiting in the lobby, Taylor is a very friendly baby. She's a very friendly baby, but she's too friendly and a little too aggressive with other kids. So they kind of look at her like, okay. I'm like, play with my baby. Don't be looking at her like that. Yeah, you acting stank. Like, girl, I'm just trying to be your friend. But yeah. So yeah, she's just a little too aggressive, but you know, we're working on that. She a little, I ain't gonna say bully, but you know, she want what she want. So if you got something and your child got it, she coming to take it. But I don't want no bully baby. So we working on that, right? We gonna work on that. Oh, you don't want to talk? Oh, we gonna talk about it. Yeah, we gonna talk about it. Yes. So anyway, so far as update, wow, I ain't done an update since before she turned 1. So I haven't given her anything that she does not eat. She eats everything. Like everything. Besides like pork or like, you know, that's the only meat that, you know, she don't eat. Also, I haven't given her any seafood yet. So she hasn't had any crabs, fish, shrimp, oysters, none of that. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and start giving her some like fried shrimp. I just been scared. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, far as foods, I mean, she eats good. She's a good eater. She's a very she's a thinker. Like she really, you could tell she just like very curious on what's this and what's that do. Like she really like any kid. I mean, the doctor told me my baby was advanced for 15 months. I found that very flattering. But I feel like every doctor gonna say that, so I don't know. But I will insert some clips right now because we've been working on her counting. She counts from 1 to 10, and she knows to clap at the end to get to 10. She probably won't do it right now, but I have previous clips from a couple weeks ago and maybe some recent clips of her counting. And we've been learning colors, so that will be a clip in here. And what else? We are now learning body parts, eyes, nose, ears, and mouth, and all of that. So yeah, we've been teaching her some things. Well, you know. So what else, Taylor? What else is going on? She sleeps in her crib half the night. Working on that too. So yeah, we got our good nights where she be dog tired. She'll sleep. Not even all night, really. All night to me is probably 5 a.m. But yeah, so she's a good and healthy kiddo, right, Mama? See, I'm good and healthy. So yeah, here's the clip of her counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, Taylor! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say 8, 9, 10. Yay! Which color is red? Which color is red? Yay! So I was editing this video and I seen this clip I want to put in here when Chris was twinging Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Taylor did the fill in the blank. It was so cute.
Yeah.
Get your hot breath. Get your hot breath.
Taylor is also a very independent little baby. She doesn't, it really makes me sad. She really doesn't like being held as long. So this is probably gonna last a couple more seconds. But she has her clingy days. In the moment when she's extra clingy, it's like, Taylor, come on now. But then I really just have to be like, you know what? Whatever I'm doing is not even important most of the time. So I like to soak in. Told you she's gone. I like to soak in those clingy moments. Oh my God, y'all, look how big she's getting though. All this talking and stuff. Say mama. Say mama. 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 But yeah, she don't really like being held, and some days she's clingy, some days she's not. And that's it. Look. Oh, you wanna say hi? Say hi. Put your tongue back in your mouth. So yeah, as far as like strangers, she's a friendly baby. Sometimes over friendly, like I said earlier. But let's see. As far as some likes and dislikes, she likes being outside. We can be in the house and she will go to the door and point at the door. She wants to go outside. So she loves being outside. Her and her dad are outside people. I'm outside people when they're outside. Let's put it like that. It'd be hot out there. She loves bath time. I have these foam, is it called foam letters? I don't know, it's like bathtub letters and numbers. They're like different colors. We go over the colors and the numbers and all of that. What else? She's into everything. More so pots and pans in the kitchen. My husband, dear husband, if you're watching this, Taylor, he hasn't put the childproof thing on the kitchen cabinet, so she likes to be in the cabinet. But yeah, her next update will be 18-month update in October. Bye bye. See you next time. Say bye bye. Bye bye.